Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Mercedes-Benz S580 4MATIC. This one's a graphite gray metallic. Underneath it is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo hybrid with 496 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one comes with the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior, 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, adaptive high beam assist, a macchiato magma gray Napa leather interior with a silver aluminum fanned walnut wood trim with open pores, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with front and rear heated and cooled seats, S580 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, Distronic Plus, blind spot assist, lane keep assist. Opening up the doors, we've got the new handles, 4D Burmeister sound system, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, USB ports, wireless charging, cup holders. This S-Class has 2,064 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 S580 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.